Every loaf of bread begins here, where grain matures patiently under open skies.
Harvest transforms months of growth into motion and momentum.
The harvest moves quickly because freshness begins with speed.
Quality is judged at the source before the journey even starts.
Here, wheat rests briefly, protected and measured.
From farm to factory, the chain must never break. The journey continues, carrying the foundation of bread itself.
Every kilometer tests balance, weight, and engineering.
This is where wheat becomes the language of bread.
Precision begins before a single grain is released. Gravity and air carry the harvest inside.
The raw journey ends. Processing is about to begin.
Behind these walls, tradition meets controlled precision.
Every shift begins with discipline and routine.
Cleanliness is not optional. It is engineered. The raw grain now enters a controlled world.
Preparation begins before transformation. Before refinement, impurities must be removed without mercy.
Air becomes the first invisible filter. Even unseen threats are caught before they travel further. Ocean reveals what still does not belong.
Vision systems make decisions faster than the human eye.
Consistency begins with exact measurement.
The grain is now ready for its first true transformation.
Conditioned and balanced, the grain is ready to be broken. Steel meets grain, beginning the careful release of flour. Size and purity are separated layer by layer. Nothing is wasted. Each fraction has a purpose. Refinement replaces force with control.
Even flour must breathe before it settles.
Uniformity is achieved through patience and repetition.
The grain's journey becomes an ingredient.
Precision now replaces approximation. Flour is ready to become dough.
Here, simple ingredients begin to behave like something alive. Experience confirms what sensors predict.
Once mixed, there is no pause.
Uniform weight ensures uniform bread.
Shape begins before size.
Time and warmth awaken the yeast.
Growth is invisible until suddenly it is not.
Form prepares bread for heat.
Fire replaces fermentation.
In minutes, dough becomes bread.
Heat fades, structure remains.
Cooling is as controlled as baking.
Every loaf is measured, none assumed.
Perfection is enforced quietly.
Human oversight guides automated intelligence.
Timing is engineered, not trusted.
The bread is ready for its final form.
Precision turns craft into consistency. Uniformity is verified, not assumed.
Even the edges are accounted for. Packaging waits for no delay.
Touchless handling protects freshness.
Every loaf leaves with identity and time.
The product is finished, but not yet approved. Quality is observed at the speed of production.
Inspection is selective, but responsibility is total.
Inside the loaf, structure tells the truth. Numbers confirm what hands and eyes suggest. Only approved bread moves forward.
Individual loaves become units of supply.
Information travels with every box.
Scale is achieved through repetition.
Protection ensures the journey ahead. Freshness is preserved in controlled space.
Distribution begins where storage ends.
From controlled floors to open roads.
The journey ends where daily life begins.
Freshness is verified one last time.
Presentation turns production into choice.
Trust is built in simple gestures.
The process becomes part of a daily ritual.
And this is how modern factories produce bread from start to finish.